Okay, so we're about to leave actually, and I really found some interesting air conditioners everywhere. There are tons and tons of Bryants everywhere. So here's this one. This one's off. It's got a open scroll compressor or something. I don't know what it is. There's this one that's running. Nice. Here's another Bryant. It's off right now. A lot of them are off. Here's another one of the Bryants. It's running. That compressor over there sounds really, really bad. Nice. There's a lot of them. There are three blades. This one looks like a plane air conditioner. To a lizard. there's one, two, three more that are running. Yep. The compressor. This one's really loud. The compressor on this one is really, really mad. Whoa. Don't want to trip over these tubes. So I'm guessing there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 air conditioners here. There are lots and lots of Bryants. I'm going to film the next area that's running. It appears to... Oh. Looks like it's going to start on the compressor is really, really bad. The compressor on that one's really, really mad over there. Now let's go move on to the next area.
Where are you going now?
The next area has more air conditioners over there.
Yeah, we can't go over there. The only place we can go over there. We're not walking around.
So I gotta go. So Florham gang out.